Hey my beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, night, whatever it may be. Know that you're awesome and amazing. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. If you are not a part of the beautiful shining star family, we would love you to be so go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So I recently watched Jupiter Ascending and I totally forgot that I wanted to do this makeup look a while ago. I had the headpiece made and everything, but time got away from us. We were getting busy and then I forgot about it. So when I rewatched it, I was just like, dude, I super want to do this look. She was slaying it in that wedding scene, in that beautiful outfit, and that makeup was just So for the look, I am using this Dream palette from Deck of Scarlet, and this is a brand new subscription brand that I know of, and they have like every 2 months you get a new palette for a full face of makeup, and they collab with YouTubers. This one was in collaboration with Kim Tai, and this is perfect for the look. It has 3 gorgeous shadows, it has a highlighter, a blush, and 2 lip colors. And they also gave me a coupon code so you guys could check it out in the description box below along with other information about Deck of Scarlet. Starting off with this beautiful rose gold shimmery shadow, Enchanted. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and I'm gonna use it to highlight my brow bone. I'm also going to mix it in with a bit of fairy dust. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful! Next, with the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and take that color Myth, and I'm going to use it as a nice transition shade, just placing it right in the crease of the eye, like the eye socket, and then like windshield wiping motion back and forth. Now I'm going to go back in with Enchanted and place this all over my lid and in the inner corner of my eye as well. I really love the color shift on the shadow, how it's that rose goldy kind of peachy feel to it, yet it has that gold shimmer and sparkle too when the light hits it. Now I'm going to be taking that beautiful brick color crown and pack it onto my brush. I kind of want to go high with it. That's the way she has it in the movie, and I just think this is beautiful. The cool thing I like about Deck of Scarlet as well is it is a subscription base, but if you like one of the palettes, you don't have to necessarily subscribe. You could just get the palette, and they're cruelty free and paraben free. And after I'm done with the top, I am going to go ahead and take that same color crown and apply it to the bottom lash line. And I'm just now taking my fluffy blending brush and kind of just diffusing it out, blending it in. So now that I'm done with the shadows, I am going to go on to one of my favorite liners from Urban Decay. It's their Black Velvet. And I'm just going to line the top lash line as well as the bottom one, but I'm not going to tight line the bottom one. I'm going to leave that open. Now I'm going to go ahead and just curl my lashes for some lift. Going in with another one of my faves. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. I'm gonna go ahead and start at the base of my lash line and just wiggle upwards. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now, Mila's lashes are very long, wispy, natural looking. I got some here that I found, and I believe these ones are from Huda. I'm also gonna be taking my Kiss Lash Strip. I love it when they have the little brushes opposed from the tube that you squeeze. Just gives you a bit more control. Do it as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, now that I've tried to put the eyelashes on without the tweezers to the best of my ability, I'm gonna move on to liner, liquid liner, just to kind of blend it in a bit. Now that I'm pretty much done with my eyeballs, I am gonna move on to my face, and I'm gonna be using my Benefit Hello Happy, and I'm mixing number 4 and number 6 together. And I have been loving this foundation for summertime. For a bit of glow and highlight, I'm going to use my Born This Way Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Like on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, under my eyebrows, Cupid bow, and chin. Then I'm going to blend it all in with my beauty blender. for my contour, I'm using my Benefit Cheek Parade. And then I'm taking my favorite Hoola and I'm gonna sculpt out the cheekbones. And I'm just using the same bronzer and a smaller brush to contour my nose. And with the same palette, I'm using Rocketeer and Dandelion for the cheeks. And now going back to the Deck of Scarlet palette, we're going to be using that blush tiara and place it on the cheek. Now I'm gonna go ahead in with Fairy Dust and just use it as a highlighter for the cheeks. Now I'm gonna move on to my brows using my Browsing from Benefit and just fill in my brows. Last but not least, onto the lips, I'm going to be using my Bite Lip Liner in 048, and it's like a maroonish liner color. And now I'm just going to fill it in with the Lip Color Maiden from the Dream palette. And to complete the look, I am taking my Lottie London's gems. I'm just gonna place one of these gems right in the center of my lip. I'm also just gonna add some more glitters because that's how I roll. Alright guys, there is my take on Slay Queen Slay, Mila Kunis, Jupiter Ascending inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what character or transformation or look you want to see next. And I love you guys. Remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!